Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a little really quick unboxing to do. This is what I've been waiting for months. It's my first ever Kerikit bags and they arrived today. When I came home they were sat on my porch and I'm really excited. So I'm trying to do this really quick because my kids are going to be home from school soon. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. So you get a little card in the bag there, or in the box I should say. So this is the Greta, so it comes in the dust bag. Oh wow, look at that, it's beautiful. This is in the mink, this is the Greta. I will do packing videos on these, but this is like the smaller, I guess, clutch type bag. But oh, look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. These are full grain leather, by the way, but I'll just show you quickly. There's so much packaging in here. That's the front pocket there. Look how pretty it is. Wow. And you have a couple of pockets on each side, and then you have the nice big opening there. And then it does come with the adjustable strap. But yeah, that's in the mink, and the colour is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Really pretty. So I also got I believe this is the poppy. This is like a little wallet type thing. Oh, I got the link in this as well. I couldn't actually remember. But yeah, look, this is the little card holder. So you've got a slot there, a little bit in there, and then room for cards. And a little wristlet thing, but look how cute it is. Wow. Oh my gosh, this colour is gorgeous. The mink is such a pretty colour. Wow. Okay, let's see what else I got in there. I did get, the Kerikit Lennox midi, and I also got the tassel for it. So I'm just going to open up the tassel quickly, see if I can get it out of here. And there's it's called the Warrior tassel. There it is, and you just hang that on the side of your bag, and it has this little thing here. And then it has a little thing here that you can put picture, whatever you want to put in there. But look how nice that is, that's really nice. But the oxblood, look at the colour. Wow, it's hard to see in this light. When I do my packing videos, I'm going to definitely try and find better light. So it does come in this little tote bag, and oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, this is stunning. Okay, let me see if I can get a better angle here. Wow. So this is the midi Lennox. And this is in the oxblood. I love the name oxblood. It sounds so medieval or something, I don't know. But look at the colour. It's like a burgundy, but it definitely changes. People kept saying it changes colour in different lights, and it does for sure. So you have a couple of pockets in the front. You have some insulated bottle pockets there. You have a long one at the back. And then it comes with this short strap. And it does also come with another strap that's in here, a long strap. And you can convert this bag into a backpack style. It does have these little hook things here that you can kind of put out the way when you don't want them, and then you pull them out when you want to convert it into a backpack. It does have the feet on the bottom. So that's a really nice option. And then it does come with a little zip bag. And I believe there's a change pad, I can't remember. Let me just pull this out quickly so I can give you a quick look at the inside. Or maybe this one doesn't come with a change pad. I can't remember. But look at the inside. So you have like pockets all over the place here, little key fob. There's lots of room there to pack stuff. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to pack this bag. Look how gorgeous it is. And this is like, in comparison, I would say probably the same width as a hobo bee, but obviously taller. But oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. And I love the size of it. Holy moly, I wish I'd got one in the mink now as well. Such beautiful colours. So anyway, this is just my first look, the first time I've ever seen anything by Kerikit in real life. So the tassel you can hang on the side there to give the bag a little bit of detail, which is going to look fabulous. Wow. Oh, I know what I'm going to be doing tonight when the kids have gone to bed. I'm going to be playing bags, packing them up. I'll just show you this one in comparison to the size of both of them, the Greta. So you can use this one with like kids as well if you're going on a quick trip, because I've seen videos of people where they have got them packed up, because I do believe in here there is a bottle pocket. I'm just going to pull this out. Yeah, there is like an insulated bottle pocket in here that fit, I guess, smaller bottles. So yeah, there it is on the inside. The lining is absolutely beautiful as well. I think she has the same colour lining for all her bags. The lining colour never changes, but it's such a pretty colour. Wow. But yeah, I'm going to pack like these bags up. I'll pack them up for kids and I'll pack them up as purses so that you guys can see. But yeah, I really splurged on these. I sold a lot of other bags to be able to get these. I did get charged duty and taxes by FedEx or customs or whatever, but to be honest, I wasn't that surprised, because whenever I buy something that's not from Canada, especially if I buy it from the US, for some reason you always get charged like duty big time at buying anything from the US. Just, I don't know, Canada Customs likes to collect duty big time, I guess. But look at that pocket. That's such a cute little pocket. So anyway, this one is the Greta, and yeah, and look at that, there's a little magnetic pocket in the back there, and that magnet is just so satisfying. Yeah, I love a good magnet pocket. But yeah, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh, I just cannot wait to pack these up. Oh, as soon as my kids go to bed, that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to go so I can get my stuff done. And yeah, and then I will show you how I have these packed up. I will maybe try and do a packing video later, although I'd like to, no, I think I'll do one tomorrow, because I want to be able to do it in proper daylight. It's the daylight, the light is not very good right now, so I may even try and film outside actually, but look at those. So this is the Poppy, the Midi Lennox and the Greta. So yeah, definitely worth the money for sure. They are absolutely stunning, and I'm so excited, and I feel like I ordered them so long ago, and they've finally come. But yeah, they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So thanks, Kerry, for making such amazing bags. Anyway, stay tuned, and I will be back at some point in the next 24 hours with some packing videos. Thanks for watching, guys.